What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Note, getting ready for the last and final break of the night. It is a little 4-box triple up. You guys got 3 teams each per spot. Good luck. Nice lineup. We got Hit Parade Platinum, always a crowd pleaser, plus our Ultimate Collection with McDavid rookie. 1128. Here's your list of names. Patrick down to Andy, and Anaheim down to Winnipeg. Good luck, guys. I don't think we need any Las Vegas. 1, 2, 3. Is it timestamp? Timestamp on 3. 11:28. 11:28. Last and final. Last and final timestamp on the 4th is 11:28 and 11:28. St. Louis top spot down to Philly. St. Louis to Philly, Montreal to Dallas. There's your teams. Let's match up some names. Good luck. 11:28 just turned 11:29. Patrick down to Andy. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp.
Sherry had 30 points this year. The move takes Pittsburgh over $5 million.
Timestamp on 3 is 11:29. 11:29. Last and final.
Part of that newfound cap space to sign defenseman Jack Johnson when free agency opens on July 1st. It's Luke Johnson with a 5-year.
11:29 and 11:29. Let's copy him over. Brandon to Chad.
So today's moves by the Penguins.
Brandon to Chad. Jamie to Paula. There's teams. We'll post them. We'll see you in about 5 minutes for the break, guys. Good luck.